You need to see how much profit I have made investing in dollars with cowries. My portfolio did over 21% increase in profit in just 1 month, and that is due to the current naira to dollar exchange rate. That is to say, if I have not invested my money in dollar and I kept it in naira idle in my bank account, I would have incurred a significant loss of over 21% in the value of my money. However, I thank God for my financial life. I started buying the American Euro bond and the Stanbic IBTC dollar bond at the rate of 700 to 800 naira per dollar, and now the current naira to dollar rate is above 1,150 naira per dollar. You can see how much profit I have made for every $1 bond that I have bought. That is over 350 naira per unit. I feel for those freelancers or individuals who don't know how to manage money, or who don't even have a financial budget. Like how do you survive? I have created a money management template which I refer to as the FMMT, which is the Freelance Money Management Template. This is the exact template or strategy that I use as a freelancer to manage my money. And that's how I become the rich freelancer. If you need this template, comment I want the FMMT template and I will send it right to you. 100%, it's free. Okay. Also, watch this video until the end so that you will learn how to use the FMMT or the Freelance Money Management Template effectively to boost your finance. In the last 2 years of my freelance career, I've been able to make over 30 million naira, and I can account for how I got the money and also how I spent and invest the money. I bought lands, I bought cryptos, I bought quality gadgets, I bought Starlinks, I upgraded my office space, and a lot more. A quick question for you. How much did you make in the last 2 years of your career? And are you able to give us an account of how you got the money and also how you are spending the money? Yes or no? Drop it in the comment section. Many freelancers, business owners, and even some salary earners suffer a lot due to mismanagement of funds. So if you are guilty of not managing money, even though you are a student, it is not an excuse. Like and watch this video until the end so that you will learn how to manage your money using the Freelance Money Management Template that I have created. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you are going to get quality information like this whenever I release them. So without further ado, let me teach you how to manage your money, increase your income, and reduce the expenses using the FMMT strategy. To the Freelance Money Management Template. So this template has three sections. It has the income section, it has the expense section, and it also has the percentage section. And I will show you how to use this template for your financial growth. This is the exact strategy I have used to grow my finances. Okay, and if you watch to the end, you will understand how I use it and how effective it is in growing my finance and also cutting down my expenses. And like I said, if you need this template, just comment I want the FMMT template and I'm going to send it right to you. It is 100% free. So let me show you how to use it. So it has the income, the expenses, and the percentage. In the income side, this is dates, clients, projects, and amount. Okay, so the date is this is like I'm tracking all the money that is coming into my bank account. Okay, all the money that is coming into my bank account and the time they are coming into my bank account. So this is for example. Okay, so you can, like I said, this template is customizable, so you customize it to fit your current financial life so that you can get the desired result that you want. So you have to watch to understand it so that you'll be able to customize it to fit
your own lifestyle. Now let's assume that I have three ongoing contracts. The first contract is from Gibbs Token. I'm working as a community manager and they're paying me $500. The second contract is from Marvel Lab. I'm working as a Twitter manager and they're paying me $250. And the last contract is from Jane Doe and I'm working as a social media manager and they're paying me $500. The total is what $1,250 income per month that I'm getting. Now this is set. We go over to the expense side. So what am I spending in a month? The date, the purpose, the description, and the amount. So I'm spending for software, which is the solution I use for my content creation. I assume I'm spending $50 per month for all my subscription, and then the another self care that is my feeding and TP for the month. I don't go outside, but I like to eat good food, so I'm spending $100 per month to eat well. And then my data, which is what? My Starlink. So data supply will be what? 40. So there can be more. There can be power supply, there can be all, but I'm using solar, that's why I did not put it there. So this is my expenses for this month. This is what? 1,190. Okay. So my income is what? My income is 1,250 and my expense is what? 190. So we want to see how much I will be left with in the month. So it will not be 1,250 minus 1,250 minus 190. So that will be giving us $1,060. So this is what I'm currently left with as profit for the month. Okay, so this is my income. Remember, my total income for the month and my total expenses for the month. So if you subtract my total income for the month from my total expenses, or with my total expenses, I'm left with what's called the profit, which is what? $1,060 per month. So in case your own is showing negative, otilo now you sabi. So this is now. So I'm getting this as the leftover. So when I have this money now, what do I do with this money? Where will this money go? I have to know. That's why we now have the what? The percentage. Now, in percentage, I have four areas where all my leftover money is going to. Okay, so I have the savings, I have investing, I have the upkeep, I have miscellaneous. Okay, savings, investing, upkeep, miscellaneous. And know that in my savings, I can have many things I'm saving for. I can be saving for travel, I can be saving for investing, I can be saving for my mother's birthday, I can save for whatever. It will be in this 30%. Now I have investing. I can be investing for my unborn first child. I can be investing for my unborn second child. I need to have a purpose of investing. I don't just invest the money. I have to have a purpose for it. Then for my upkeep, okay, like in case of I don't have job, like somebody owe me, where will I go and touch money? Will I go to my savings? No. Will I go to my investing? No. I have to save something for called upkeep, whereby I go there in case of when I am on my low. I go there and take 20%, and then have miscellaneous or for emergency. Okay, so this my profit of what? $1,060 will now be what? Subdivided to fit into all of these units. So let's go. The first one is what? 30%. So I will be putting 300 and from the leftover, I will put in $318 in here. So if you do if you do 30% of 1,060, you get $318. Okay, that's so now let's do for 30% the same thing here. So I still get $318 here. Then for 20%, I will get $212 here, and another $212 here. So that's how my money has been spent for the month. So every month my money will go through the channel. All the profit comes in here, all the total profit here. Okay, please get it. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment below. If you understand this thing and if you apply it in your life, I bet you you will experience a tremendous growth financially. Okay, so this is here all the expenses here. So the expenses of the expenses deducted from the income will give us the net profit. Net profit will now use to divide it into what 30, 30, 22. That is total of what 100%. So $318 goes to my savings. So this savings has to be in what in dollars. So I can use Cowwise to save this dollar. Okay, like I did now. Cowwise I can have different purpose of saving. So in this my 30%, I can still further break it down, saving for buying so and so stuff. So I can break it down and save it there. And in investing, I can break it down to say, let me buy BTC, let me buy ETH, okay, and then I can start breaking down this percentage to buy each of these tokens here. And the upkeep, just for the upkeep for myself. So let me say if I want to buy a shoe, I can start saving, I can now break it down for here to buy a shoe. And then for yes for what? Emergency. So this is how I strategize the money. Now, in cases whereby I discover that my income is reducing, and my expenses is increasing, I have to know that it is time for me to get more job. For example now, let's say this job was terminated and I was now left with what $700 per month. You discover that if you divide this $700 minus 190, I will not be having I will no longer be having this amount of money. I will now be having 510 510 per month. You see, 700 minus 190, I'm having 510 per month. So I have experienced now a decrease in my financial income. So the money I'll be sharing here will also what decreases. So in times like this, I know that there is trouble. So what I will go and start hustling to get more freelance contracts. I will go and start hustling to get more jobs, more ways, more income streams to add money to my account. Okay, so that is how I become a rich freelancer. Becoming a rich freelancer is not the amount of money I have saved, it's usually the amount of money that is coming into my pocket and how I'm managing this money. So I hope with this you will now know how to use the freelance money management template to manage your money. And in case you have question, drop it in the comments and I'm going to give you the befitting answer to your question. So I urge you to have a financial budget and to able to manage your money. It will help you financially so that you will not be asking for urgent 2K. So if you need urgent 2K, you know where to go and take it because you keep it there. Okay, and I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you learn something. I'll see you on my next video. Let me get back to work.